Another Defender hardtop available today. This is the 110 2026 model year D250S hardtop commercial, full MASV bespoke styling, finished in Santorini Black, and it's got a great factory spec, this one, some really good options on it. Obviously our full bespoke styling package, so we've got all the lower canards in gloss black, extended wide arches gloss black, all the front grills, Defender bonnet badging, we've got the upgraded bonnet vents. Now this is the new 2026 model year. A few subtle changes to the front end around the fog lamps and also a new headlamp design. We've also got a larger infotainment screen, new style rear lights, a few little tweaks, but nothing much. So 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, Yokohama Geolander tyres. This is a commercial, so it's been fully colour coded. All the bottom of the doors, all the mouldings. We've got the front and rear classic style mud flaps, upgraded side vents, gloss mirrors. We've got the pod lights at the top here, the LED roof light. This one's a factory spec air suspension. Got black roof rails. We've got the jump seat, which I'll show you in a moment when we're inside. That's the new style rear light. They're smoked. Got the gloss black wheel cover. Gloss black rear roof spoiler. Rear bumper fully gloss blacked. Rear mud flaps. If I open up the back here, so 110, this is a 3-seat commercial. We can offer the rear seat conversions. We've got underfloor storage. And we've got all the buttons here. So air suspension, we can lower and raise the vehicle. And I'll click the electric deployable tow bar as well there. Some LED lights in the back. Give that a few seconds. There we've got the electric tow bar, part of the towing pack. Very desirable option, and paired up with air suspension, that is great for towing. So this is fully VAT qualifying, N1 tax efficient, ideal for business use. Window blanks, rear underfloor storage here as well from both sides of the door, which you can access from both sides. Auto unlock and locks. If I just go inside the front here, we've got the jump seat. So this is 3 seats in the front, and when you don't need the middle seat, it's fully foldable into a large armrest. We've got cup holders, we've got additional charging ports. This one's got the cold climate package, so that's heated steering wheel, heated washer jets. Delivery mileage only 48 miles. And this is the largest screen, so new 2026 model year. Screen's circa about 1 inch bigger. This is the same now as a Range Rover Sport or a Autobiography Range Rover. The larger screen really makes a difference. Got the air suspension there as well. Black headliner, push button start, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Link, 360 cameras. Great spec. Lovely vehicle, fantastic company benefits. Reclaim all your VAT for your VAT registered company. Low benefit in kind. You can offset one of these against your corporation tax as well, but still have a lovely Defender to drive around in. So this one's available now. Give me a call, 0777 111 2040. Got plenty in stock, www.ma-sv.co.uk. 3-year Land Rover warranty. We can arrange finance, funding, and we do take part exchange. Thank you for watching.